Hey everybody, Mr. Odom here, and I'm going to work out problems 10 and 12 from section 10.5. Make sure you have all your stuff, your pencil, composition book or notebook paper, and a calculator. The learning target for this video is I can find the probability of a compound event. So in this section, before we find the probabilities, we need to make sure we understand whether or not the event is independent or dependent. So without further ado, let's read the question. You randomly choose one of these tiles without replacing the first tile. So you take a tile out, you don't put it back in the container that you chose from. You choose a second tile. You want to find the probability of this compound event. The first one is choosing an odd number, then a 20. So let's say that you choose an odd number. Let's just take 7. Okay, what's the probability of choosing that 7? Well, how many odd numbers are there? There's 1, there's a 5, there's 9. So 3 out of 7. That's the probability of choosing an odd number. Let's say you chose a 7. You take that out. So there's only 6 tiles left to choose from. So these are dependent events. Choosing an odd number and choosing a 20. And they're dependent because you don't replace the tile. So the likelihood of choosing the 20 changes. Okay. So what is the probability of choosing a 20 after you've chosen the odd? Well, there's only one 20 tile and there's 6 tiles left. So you multiply those together, 3 out of 42 or 1/14. All right, which is approximately 7.1%. So you have a 7.1% chance of choosing an odd number and then a 20. Let's look at the next one, choosing 2 even numbers. So for this one, you choose an even. How many even numbers are there? There's 6, 8, 10, and 20. There's 4 out of 7 even numbers there. So what's the probability of choosing an even number after you've already chosen one? So let's say I chose the 10. Let me use a different highlighter. Let's say I chose the 10 and that's gone. So now there's only 6 choices left and there's 3 even numbers. You multiply that out, you simplify, and you end up with 2/7, which is approximately 28.6%. So that's all you have to do. Those problems have been solved. This is Mr. Odom, and I am out.